Welcome to Elle's Sprouting Hub Fun Facts video series. In the intricate web of life, few processes are as captivating as the dance of pollination. This vital act symbolizes a profound relationship between two worlds, the flora and the pollinators. When flowers bloom, they release fragrances and vibrant colors, not just to dazzle, but to attract their partners. In this elegant ballet, a pollinator, whether it be an insect, bird, or mammal, becomes the unwitting herald of reproduction in plants. Each visit to a blossom transfers pollen, crucial for fertilization. This partnership is not one-sided, it's a mutualistic dance. While the pollinator seeks nectar for sustenance, the plant ensures its lineage through the pollinator's help. The diversity of pollinators is remarkable, with each species having adapted to specific flowers. For instance, bees are drawn to bright colors and sweet scents, while hummingbirds prefer tubular blooms that match their form. This specialization enhances efficiency, ensuring that pollen reaches the right destination. The ripple effects of this relationship extend beyond individual species, influencing entire ecosystems, maintaining biodiversity, and sustaining the planet's health. In essence, this dance of pollination is a testament to nature's interconnectedness and the delicate balance sustaining life. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our educational videos. See you in the next one.